Nobody is talking about these Air Jordans, and I wonder why. Free Air Jordan 1 Mocha giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Mocha ones. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of May. Don't worry, the winner's gonna receive a brand new dead stock pair. This is just my personal worn pair of Mochas. Good luck on the giveaway. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. If you guys can get this video up to 800 likes, I'm gonna do another Air Jordan giveaway when the Mocha giveaway is over. So make sure you guys smash that like button. This video series is sponsored by Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. Let me show you. So this right here is the daily bag, and inside the daily bag, I have two pairs of sneakers. I got my Lightning 4s and I have my Jordan 1 lows. I also have room for my laptop and a bunch of clothing. Anything I need can fit inside of my daily bag. There's also two compartments here on the front of the bag with even more room. I love Sole Premise bags. They have the best bags in the game. Make sure you guys check them out with the link down below in the description and use my code DannyMoore. That's going to give you 40% off your entire order. Sole Premise has backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags, all different types of bags. All their bags are made to hold your sneakers when you're traveling. They have compartments to actually hold your shoes. So whether you need a bag like this that holds 2 pairs, or whether you need a bigger bag that holds up to like 6 to 8 pairs, make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Best bags in the game. Link down below. Danny Moore, 40% off. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. I see nobody, and I mean nobody at all, really talking about this Air Jordan, and I'm not sure why, because this Air Jordan is straight fire. I wish this Air Jordan 1 was my size. I picked these up from Dick's Sporting Goods, and we have a completely different box. I've never seen this Air Jordan box before, have you? On the box, we have the Air Jordan 1 with sock liner, the tongue label, I guess the colorway, your design here. That's really cool. It's like a whole crafted Jordan 1 box. This is really dope. I've never seen this box before. Let me know down below in the comments. Have you guys ever seen this box? Take a look at the label. This is a size 5Y. This Air Jordan does not come in men's sizes for some reason. What a hit and a miss, Jordan Brand. This sneaker, nobody's talking about it really because it didn't come in men's sizes. I don't know what Jordan Brand was thinking, not doing this sneaker in men's sizes. Let's open these up. The Air Jordan 1. Wow, the tissue paper is dope. These are fire, man. I'm excited to see these. Woohoo! The Air Jordan 1. Bread? In grade school only sizes. This is a Jordan 1 mid, not a Jordan 1 high OG. You do have the Jumpman there on the tongue. Black and red colorway. Hey, it even says it there on the midsole. Black plus red equals bread. And then the upper, black with red, and we have the writing, the text all over it. Where there's black, it says black. Where there's red, guess what? It says red. And it's like that throughout the entire sneaker. This sneaker reminds me so much of the Rebellion Air Jordan 1 as well as the Bread Jordan 1. If you combined these two, put them on a Jordan 1 mid, toss in the black plus red equals bread. No X on the back. But here it is, the Jordan 1 Bread mid. Grade school only sizes, which is very unfortunate because if this was a men's release, these would instantly sell out. Have some resell, have some hype. It's the bread colorway after all. I wanted to jump in here real quick to let you guys know to make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I have 2 big announcements. These 2 announcements you do not want to miss. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video. Black laces come on the shoe. They come with an extra set of red laces, which is dope. I would wear these with the black laces, and on the bottom, you know I'm gonna put Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom to preserve the bottom, keep the bottom fresh, and keep it in great condition. You guys can cop Drip Grip sole protectors with the link down below in the description and use my discount code Danny10 to receive 10% off your order. I have Drip Grip on my off-white Dunks, and as you can see, it really does help the bottom. I can peel this off, and it'll make the sneaker look brand new, even when I wear them. So make sure you guys check out Drip Grip. Link down below, Danny10 for 10% off your order. Do you wish this sneaker came in men's sizes like I do? Leave a comment, let me know. Now, resale on these is going for about retail, which is crazy to say. I think that these are a solid hold. Bigger sizes, especially that 6 through 7, I think those are gonna be really, really good. You can get this Air Jordan 1 for about retail and hold them, in my opinion. I definitely see them going up easily to over $200. It is a Bred Jordan 1 after all. This is the Bred 1. It is a very wearable colorway. Grade school only sizes. I only see them going up in price. This is a fire sleeper Air Jordan 1 that I see nobody really talking about, and no one really cares about these Jordan 1s, at least for now, because I think the price is going up. Smash that like button, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to enter in the free Mocha 1 giveaway. We do monthly giveaways here on the channel, so if you guys love sneakers and you love free sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. The first announcement, I will be at Sole Exchange, I Play America, June 25th. I cannot wait. They haven't had an event in a while. Sole Exchange is back here in New Jersey. Make sure you guys pull up. I will be there June 25th. I can't wait. Now, the second announcement is more of a question with an announcement along with it. I want to do merch, start my own clothing brand. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Would you buy some clothing from your boy Danny Moore? If you guys buy merch, you have a chance of winning some hype sneakers as well. So make sure you leave a comment. Let me know if you guys want some merch from your boy Danny Moore. Not really merch, more so of like a clothing brand. I want to start my own clothing brand. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. The link is down below in the description. They have the best sneaker bags in the game. I love my Sole Premise bag. I take it with me everywhere I go. Hey, after all, the bags hold my shoes, and I'm a sneakerhead. I love that. You guys are gonna love it too. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. The link is down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 1 mid-bred in grade school only sizes is fire. Straight fire. Jordan brand, you should have made these a men's release as well. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching.